So MATLAB programming. So ninth one A is describe a anatomy function file in a MATLAB and explain. So we're gonna first we have to explain the anatomy function, and then we can functions are declarations here given, and first one is the function declaration and function body. So we're given the definitions also. First we are given the autonomy function, and functions are function declaration and function body, and also third one is the input and output arguments, and fourth one comments and documentation, and here given the definition also, so you can study using of this PDF. So error handling. So sixth one is the function end. So it is simple guys, that's why I'm going to giving a notes only. So write a script file named sensorious sine series dot m that computes the value of sin x at a given x using n terms of the series expansion of the sine function. So sin of x is equals to x to the power 3 divided by 3 factorial plus x to the power 5 divided by 5 factorial. So minus of equals to summation of n. So 1 to n, k is equals to 1, and summation of n. So of minus 1 of to the power of x minus 1, x to the power of 2k minus 1 divided by 2k minus 1. So sine series of dot m defines the value of x. So you can take the note down guys, it is very lengthy. So explain MATLAB control statement like for loop and while loop, and of course if else and if else branching with suitable examples. So first one we have to take a for loop. Why we use the for loop in the MATLAB? Then us to first we have to write a small note on of for loop and its syntaxes. Second, while loop. So while loop is used to execute a block of code repeatedly as long as condition is true. So while condition is a look like execution long and condition is true, end examples x is equals to 1. So same as if else branching, write of if else of statement, and then go for syntaxes. So last end of this given for every word by word say statement. So 10th B, write a short note on MATLAB profile. So here again is MATLAB profile. So MATLAB profile is a powerful tool designed to help users identify performance bottlenecks and optimize the execution speed of their MATLAB code. It provides a detailed information about how much time is spent executing each function or line of code, allowing user to pin out areas that can be optimized for improving efficiency, profiling mode, and visualization and analysis, and identifying performance issues, optimizing recommendations, integration with MATLAB environment. So some other important questions and answers are there. Answers are given. So please note down. And also 10th B, we have to take a screenshots or a note down, please. So we can go for other important questions. So define a function of g of x, g of a comma x of two variables, and use one of the variables as an array of the parameters. Here are a1, a2, a4, and given a4 x to the power 3 minus a3 x to the power 2 plus a2x plus a1. So calculate. So given the answers also easily given. So we can go for next one. Create a symbolic function of the following function with expansion. So generate any 4 into 3 random matrix of replace a first row to third row, first column to second column. What are the importing and exporting files in MATLAB programming? Here given the table wise of description, so note down. So describe the directories with examples. There are first one is the current directory, listening directory contents, creating directories, deleting directories, and working with paths, relative and absolute paths. List the built-in functions for characters, string manipulation. So 7th one is explain with an example computing involving arrays operations with scalar and vector arguments. Explain the relation and logical operations in MATLAB with examples. It is the last page, guys. So I've given the MATLAB questions with solutions, and also extra questions are given. So you have to study and make the note down also. Note down also. So thank you, guys.